Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. I'm here. I'm back. Oh my god, I really miss doing vlogging, and finally I show up my face again. Kasi I have changed my channel into art channel. Last time is like joyful channel, and I do whatever I want. During the quarantine, I realized that I can do more. I can do share my talent. Why not? So I changed it to ArtVlog. And this time, I'm so excited to receive my parcel. I received it from Shopee. Okay? Hindi ito sponsored ng Shopee. I bought it from Shopee. Okay? Oh my God. Here is a glass. It's a glass pen. You know, there's a lot of things in Shopee or in Lazada or online sales that are very attractive, and it's my first time to have a glass pen, and I'm so excited to have it. I've never tried this before, pero kasi na-curious lang talaga si ako. It's not that very expensive. I think it's like 20 plus only. It's a glass pen with a liquid how do you call it? Liquid ink. Liquid ink on it. So I'm gonna open it. I'm going to have an unboxing. Yes, an unboxing. Okay. Last time nag-unbox ako ng mga Shura or whatsoever, but this time, since my channel is turning into an art channel, I will unbox a lot of like drawing materials. Right? I hope that you will find it interesting, because I find it very interesting this time. Kasi drawing naman talaga yung pinaka-focus. I know glass ball pen and more on calligraphy. Most of the artists, alam nila kung ano yung calligraphy. Hindi pa ako magawa nun, pero might as well buy one. Okay, I'm unboxing it now. Ta-da! God! This is so cute! I want to show it to you. How does it look like? Right, this is the one that I told you is liquid ink, and this is the glass pen. So dainty. It's a glass, and there's something inside. I think. Well, actually, this is the color that I wanted. Hindi ko yata yung medyo orange. May siyang holder! So cute! Lalalala. Yeah, so pwede mo siyang ilagay sa table fast. Kasi, then after this, maybe you will put the ink here. Yan, ididip mo. Oh my God, where is my eyeglasses? Ito parang ano siya, lavender or magenta. I'm so excited to try it out. Yep. That's all for now, guys. See you later. And it also comes with SpongeBob. Actually, it's really fully sealed. You just dip directly here. Are you sure? Let's just try. Let me try something. Oh my God. It's working. No! It's really working. Let me just try something. This is so beautiful. In one tip, I can do so many things. And since I like it so much, I have decided to use it on my drawing, and let's see how does it look like. And I think you need to draw it a very light stroke because it's very fragile. And also I tried out the red color, and let's see how does it look like again. I'm so excited to continue. And then I have decided to try out the brush with water. Now let me tell you that using glass pen is not that easy because it's very stiff and it doesn't have enough flexibility, especially those drawing with a lot of curvy, but overall I still gonna try it. Thanks for watching, guys.